Let's have a look at what happens to the verb forms in present simple tense. According to the name of the tense itself, the verb form is very simple. In the positive sentences, it takes the simplest possible verb forms such as sing, drive, or go. It is so in the most cases of the subjects. For the first person singular, for example, I sing to her every evening. Or for the third person plural, they drive very slowly. And for the second person, you go to the same school as Tom. What we have to be careful about is the third person singular. He, she, and it. The verb in the positive sentences in these cases takes the S ending. For example, she sings to her every evening. It drives very slowly. If the verb ends in O, an E comes between O and S, like in the sentence he goes to the same school as Tom. Questions are formed with the help of the auxiliary verb do, which comes before the subject of the sentence. For example, do I sing to her every evening? Do they drive very slowly? Or do you go to the same school as Tom? Again, we have to be careful with the third person singular, he, she, and it. They also take the auxiliary verb do, but we have to be careful because it acts like a magnet. It means that it attracts everything we have put to the main verb, in this case the S ending. So, as we can see here, it attracts the S, and since it ends in O itself, the E comes between the O and the S. So, does she sing to her every evening? Or does it drive very slowly? Or does he go to the same school as Tom? Negative sentences are also formed with the help of the verb do in its negative form, do not, or don't, in short. Examples: I don't sing to her every evening. They don't drive very slowly. You don't go to the same school as Tom. Again, we have to be careful with the third person singular, he, she, and it. As we remember now, the verb do is magnetic and attracts what we have put to the main verb. So, do not now becomes does not, or in short, doesn't. So the examples now go: she does not or doesn't sing to her every evening. It does not or doesn't drive very slowly, and he doesn't go to the same school as Tom.